Blessings, fam. It's been a long time. It has been a while since I last posted a video on this channel showing a tutorial on how to crochet. But I am back and I will be uploading new content. I don't know how often because I do have a pretty full and thick schedule with work and other things, but I just kind of want to touch bases with everyone who has subscribed to my channel, who has popped in to see my tutorials. I wanted to let you know I stopped crocheting a few years ago. I was making the hats, the scarves, the outfits, and then I moved on to crocheting dolls. In about 2016, 2017, I had some things that happened, some kind of traumatic things that happened in my life, and I stopped crocheting. I began writing poetry, which is something that I had been doing for quite some time, but I decided to write poetry to help with my healing. I'm still healing, but I am in a much better place than I was before. And even when I was doing the tutorials and crocheting, I was in a dark place then. That's why crocheting had become really a saving grace for me. And then it just, got to a point to where I burned out after a while. It started becoming a job for me. A lot of my customers, no fault of theirs, but the custom orders were beginning to be a little too overwhelming for me. So I put it off to the side and just kind of walked away. I have been having the urge to crochet. I've made a few things, and I don't know what made me decide to go back and look at my old channel. And I noticed that I had so many hundreds of followers, over 1,000 followers, or subscribers, should I say, and so many views on my tutorials. And it kind of motivated me, as well as watching a lot of the TikTok videos of people crocheting and having tutorials, till it kind of got me thinking about getting back into it. So currently, I'm working on a project where I'm trying to see how it goes. If it works out, then I will do a tutorial for it. I don't want to state what it is just yet, but like I said, if it works out, I will do a tutorial. And I am also planning on going back and revamping those old videos that I have. I'm not taking them down, but I will do them because they are so old till the video quality is not as great. You can pretty much tell that is old. So I want to go back in and redo those, as well as do tutorials on newer projects. And then I'll also be working on DIY projects because I've been doing a lot of that as well. So you won't just see crocheting. You're going to see arts and crafts where I'm doing upcycled items and accessories for the home. And I'm really looking forward to adding the new content, and I'm looking forward to having more subscribers to my channel. So I just wanted to kind of give you an update on what's to come. And if you are interested in knowing where I have been and what I've been doing and what has gone on in my life that has made this drastic change, then just let me know. And the reason why I'm willing to share it is I like to share my story to inspire other people. I love to share my story to let other people know that what they are going through, they are not alone. So I may, discuss that too, but, I don't want to do that while I'm doing tutorials. I would, make that a separate thing. So to anyone who's new to the page, I ask you to just hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that way you'll know when I am uploading content. So on that note, for those who know my old channel, I used to be LaTanya Buckner on there, but now I am LaLa DeVille. So you got a whole new person with a whole new mindset and gonna have all new tutorials. So on that note, I'm out. Deuces.